thank you for joining me. I am unable to physically do this live in class due to going on. I think I've lost it. That's the whiteboard. All right. Don't know if I can get that back. All right. Don't know what happened. Let me just go into a whiteboard. Try to open that up again and get ready for you. Sadly, I can't be in class today. I have a hospital appointment I need to attend to. Well, I might resume class. It might take me in. Let's see if it takes me resume class. Yes, good. Okay, this is fantastic. Okay, so the question I would like you to do today is focused on continuous functions, where we're dealing with probability density functions. And what we've done before, we've done expected value of x's. Remember how we did that, all right? We went, it's like the mean. And to get the expected value of x, we went the full domain, which is normally negative infinity to positive infinity, unless it's restricted like it is here, it's from 0 to 1. And then we do x times f of x dx, right? So we've done that. We've done expected value of, say, x squareds. And to get the expected value of x squared, then you might recall it is not just x, f of x, but it's x squared times f of x dx. So that's what we were doing in the previous lessons. We also did median when we want from negative infinity up to that median value, the probability here, this is just area under the curve. So this will just be the probability density function, f of x, with on its own. We integrate that, and to get the median, we want 50%, so that would be 0.5. We want the area up until that point to be 0.5. Plug in the power. But this lesson is to do with the variance and standard deviation. Now, the variance is the expected value of x squared minus the mean squared. So we have to square the mean, and the mean was simply expected value of x. So really, to get the variance, we have to do both expected value of x. So we've got to do that. We have to do this. Then we get this one here minus that one there, right? So we subtract, and that would be, oh no, minus that one squared. So once we do that, we have to square the mean, and that's how we get the variance. So the variance will be the bottom one minus the expected x squared. So let's do that. A random variable x has a probability density function of this. Find the variance of x, and hence find the standard deviation, right? Standard deviation, you may recall, you simply have to get the square root of that variance, and that would be the standard deviation. All right, so let's first find, let's color code this. So let's first find expected value of x. And then we'll square that. First of all, expected value of x equals. Now we're going to go from 0 to 1, because that's our domain, of x times f of x dx. Now f of x is 2x. So it would be from 0 to 1, x times 2x dx. And that's 2x squared, right? 2x squared from 0 to 1. So we integrate, that would be 2x cubed over 3 from 0 to 1. So we substitute 1 in and we get 2 over 3. We substitute 0 in and get 0. Okay, so that is our expected value of x. Good. Now let's find expected value of x squared. We'll do that in purple. So the expected value of x squared. It's still from 0 to 1, but it's x squared f of x dx. So it's from 0 to 1 of x squared times f of x, which is 2x. All right, 2x. F of x is 2x. And that's the same as 2x cubed, all right? So x squared times 2x is 2x cubed. So let's integrate 2x cubed dx. So that would be 2x to the 4. We raise the 3 up to a 4, and we divide by 4 from 0 to 1. Substitute 1, you get 2 quarters, a half. Substitute 0, you get 0. And so, okay, that's a half. Now we just have to take those values and subtract, and don't forget to square the expected value of x. So here we go, all right, putting these together. Are you ready? Variance of x equals, I'll color code this, our expected value of x squared minus, and we go back to blue, our expected value of x, which is the mean. Okay, that's also the mean. It's also used the mean. And we have to square that, okay? Keep in mind, I'll just put this as green. We have to square that. So we subtract and we square that value. Okay, here we go. So let's substitute our values in. Our ex squared is a half. Let's just put this down as a half. Okay. We want to now subtract our mean, which is 2/3. But we have to square the mean. Remember that. Okay, that's part of the formula. Square the mean. And that gives us, look, I'm just going to do this old school. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. A half minus 4/9 is 1/18. You can do that on the calculator. A half minus 4/9. Let's just check that. A half minus 4/9. 0.5 minus 0.444444. That's 4/9 equals 0.055555. What is 1 divided by 18? 0.055555. Okay, we're correct. Now, we go back here. We want, so the variance we've got is 1/18. Okay, so the variance VARX, put that answer up here. Is 1/18. It's really tiny. Now we want the standard deviation, all right? Now the standard deviation, I'll do this in red. and we just have to get the square root of 118. All right. So the standard deviation, square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 18 is the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. So that's called 1 over 3 root 2. And so I'll just put here standard deviation is 1 over 3 root 2. And let's just check our answers. So this was number 1. And let's have a look at this. We've got 1 over 18 is the variance, and look, it's got root 2 over 6. So let's just have a look at root 2 over 6 and that answer. If I multiply the top and the bottom by root 2, I would get root 2 over 3 times 2 is 6. So that is also root 2 over 6. All right, so I hope this has helped. And good luck with trying these questions. We haven't done the second part of this lesson, which is to do with a few other questions, such as part A and B. We haven't done these ones, all right? Not in this recording. That one's not done in this recording. All right, I hope this has helped.